things, you know, Thai women get upset about. Number one, hunger. Number two, shall we hire a bike and go?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna hire a bike and go. Morning friends, and welcome back to another video. Yeah,
Morning.
such a beautiful day here in Udon. So we're in Udon Thani. Couple of things we came for. One of them is to renew someone's passport. She needs to get her passport sorted, but I'm starving as well. So the plan is we're gonna go and get her passport sorted first, grab something to eat, and then we're gonna see what Udon Thani is all about. Right, last night we were over here and we had a bit of a, you know, well, let's not go into it. All right.
And he vomited.
Who vomited?
You.
Not me. Do not believe anything a Thai woman says. Remember that.
Right.
I'm joking. Can I even joke? Right, so the first stop, as I said, is we're gonna go rent a motorbike.
First before we go to passport or we do passport.
No, let's get the passport sorted. Because I don't want to sit all day in the passport office.
Okay.
It's the morning now. And if I get the chance, I want to get my hair cut done as well. So let's see what happens. Right. We'll catch you in a bit. So this is the motorbike we're renting. Alright, I think he's going to pull it out. There is a bit of damage on it. So it's always best whenever you rent cars or motorbikes, you know, to be honest with you, anyway. Right, like I was saying, if you do rent a bike, then make sure you check everything. Alright, any dents or scratches that, you know, make sure you make them aware of it, like certain things like here, you know. Good look around, record it with your camera. All these scratches, the last thing you want is for them to screw you over. I mean, the deposit is only 1,000. I know I'm getting all that. The deposit is only 1,000, but that's not the point. The point is, at the end of the day, yeah, no worry, I'm fine. There's damage down there. Can you see that? Yeah. Make sure everything else is as it should be. Go. Right, where do we park the bike?
Huh?
We must have an easier parking space for bikes.
I don't know, I think it's right. Yeah, on the right.
Right, so we've parked in the motorcycle parking area. We've come to Central Plaza. Okay. This is, they've got a passport section here that you can go to and apply or renew your passport. Before we had to go to the government building here in Udon. So let's see what happens. God, it's a long walk. The wife had a grab helmet. Maybe we could have come and parked here. I'm gonna get her to do some deliveries.
I have grab helmet.
I know, that's what I said. Maybe we should have just come here.
Oh, this one's a big bike.
Right, so where we've parked with the bikes, it's right at the other side, so it's a crap walk. You have to walk all the way around. It's a long ass walk, as they say. The Central Plaza doesn't open till 10:30. It's now 10 past 10. However, because we're going to the passport office, the passport section opens at 10. What floor is it? Third. Right, okay. Because it opens at 10, she's let us in. So that's where we're off to. Right. Right, okay. So let's find this place and I'll see you in a sec. As you can see, everyone's getting everything ready for the day ahead. This lady's getting her store ready here in Central Plaza. God, I'm out of breath already. Walking and walking. Oh, here we go. This is the passport section. Let's find out what's going on, what we need to do. Oh my God, it's already packed. Right, see you in a sec. So she needs to fill this form out for renewal.
Where she crossed the thing, so I don't need to put, no?
I don't know.
Because she crossed it.
What did that say?
Where I born,
Okay.
Konkan.
Where you were born. She was born in Konkan. Right, it's absolutely packed here. Right, I'll let her get on with it. Loads of people there. She's got a ticket. I didn't actually check what ticket number she was. Let's hope it's quick because man is hungry. Hungry as hell. And my wife is even more hungrier. That's why she's snapping slyly at me. Like I've said before, there's two things, you know, Thai women get upset about. Number one, hunger. Number two, hunger. Okay? And we go for a third one, hunger. When they're hungry and angry go hand in hand for a Thai woman. Alright? So, we're currently number 35 in the queue. And it is now, it's in number 16. So, the guy said to us it's going to be about half an hour before they start calling the numbers in the 30 range. So he asked everybody who has got numbers 30 and above if you could come outside and take a seat outside because it is getting busy in there. So we're just going to order some coffees. The woman who runs the coffee shop, she's buggered off to the loo. So we're waiting for her to come back so I can have a coffee and wake up. Oh, it's 18 already. By the time she comes back, we'll probably be inside. So, passport done. When they're going to deliver it? 3 to 7 days time. So we're now in the food court. Alright, let's see what we're going to eat. Let's see what she wants. Right, we're in the food park of Central Plaza. These stalls look actually brilliant the way they're set up. Potato corner. Right, let's have a look around. You want me to go this way, yeah? Yeah, what's that? Yamazaki? No. Fuku matcha, that's matcha tea. Okay. She bought those snacks while we were waiting, and now I'm feeling full. I told her not to, but madam was hungry. Oh wow, look at all these vegetables. Lovely. I love these mushrooms. They're really good. We've got Carmen Guy over there. Had that yesterday. What are you having? Sirloin steak there. It looks something like this. Give that a miss. kegs
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับสบายดีไหมครับ
สบายดีค่ะ คุณสบายดี
สบายดีครับ
ดีแล้ว
Udah dua kepala dulu ah?
เนี่ยที่กินกะเพรา
Ya?
ข้าวไก่
Oh is it not Noah?
กะเพราเนื้อไหมคะ
เมื่อวานฉันจะไม่ถ่ายอยู่ดูดีนี่ก็ทำเมื่อวานไปยืนอยู่ดูดี
อ๋อเป็นส่วนนะคะ
Oh is it? Which one? Ah.
กะเพราเนื้อไหมคะ
อ๋อกะเพราเนื้อไม่มีจ้ะมีแต่ทะเลปลาไก่
ชิคเก้น
ไก่
ซีฟู้ด
อะไรไก่
ข้าวไก่
กะเพราไก่ครับ
ไข่ดาวจานหนึ่งค่ะ
ได้จ้ะ
ไข่ดาวไม่สุกนะคะ
จ้ะ
Those legs out. They look good. And the chilies.
ค่ะ
Right. Shall I wait here? So we're going to sit here by the looks of it. I've ordered Pat Kapao Gai. Okay. Yay. Look at the seafood. Prawns look good, don't they? Oh, this is mine. Oh, where am I sitting? Yeah, so I'm going to be a gentleman and wait for her. Alright. Because that's a gentleman thing to do. Oh, let me take this off. And the wifey bought me new trainers. Can you believe it? The wifey bought me new trainers. Yeah, these were on discount. Oh, they were on sale. They were originally 2,500 baht. I'll put that down in English, in pound and dollars. But they were 500 baht discount. So yeah, so I paid she paid 2,000 baht for these trainers for me. Bless her. She treated me to a new pair of trainers. And the thing is, she bought me a pair of Nike Air Maxes before we came here. And they were over 100 quid. So those were for my birthday, and these are just a treat for me. God, I'm lucky. Here comes the wife. What did she get? What did you get, love? Oh, you got right, she got. Is that Carmen Guy?
ไก่ย่าง
Kayang, okay. I saw the rice and I thought, well, what is this? Is this masaman? What is this curry? Melu.
อะไรวะ
Alaiwa. She doesn't know what this is. Melu means I don't know.
พะเนง
A
พะ
Penang.
เนงไก่
Penang gai. Alright, so Penang chicken. And this looks like okra or morning. No, it's not morning glory. It looks like okra to me. Yeah. This looks actually quite nice. I might have to try it and nick a bit of her food. Right, so the wife is going to try her one first. What sauce is this? Is it like a barbecue sauce?
ทัมริน
Or tamarind sauce? Okay. Seba? No? You don't like it? Alright, let me try it. Sometimes she says she doesn't like it.
เอา
It's cold. Yeah. Right. Okay. Let me try it. It is cold, but it's nice. I do like that. What about this one here? Nice, yeah? Okay. Not much talking going on. Not much commentary of the food. Okay. Start off with my one.
กะเพราอร่อย
Oh, the egg is nice. Well, I'd like it a little bit more runnier.
แต่กะเพราอร่อยมาก
Is it nice? The wife just tried my one. She said it's very nice. Aloy mak.
มันเป็นซอสดีมันอร่อย
don't mind it a little bit salty. Right, here we go. Have a look at that. I've got some rice there, some chicken, some piece of basil on top.
Lemon ice cream.
Oh yeah.
อร่อยไหม
That is good.
This one aubergine and egg.
That's aubergine and egg. Is that oh, that's a cucumber, isn't it? What is that? The green one.
ไหน aubergine
Yeah. That's really nice. As you can see from my fat belly, I'm not much of a veggie type person. It actually tastes really nice. Not enough to convert me to a vegetarian though. Let's put it that way. This is really nice. I do like this one. I think the spiciness is just right. It's got a kick, but it's not too spicy. That is good. We'll just mix it all together. Very nice. Like I said, I love these green chilies. I love these chilies. Got a lovely kick to them, but they're not like the smaller chilies are, you know, a lot more on top. Right, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna get back to you.
someone coming
You have to love, you know, whoever came up with this design, even the old man. Every time I see this, it makes me laugh. I'm not gonna lie. You know, that makes me laugh. I've got to have it. Bless the old man. Oh, what can I say? So we're gonna go and return the food card, and yeah, for my calculations, just under 200 baht. There you go, love. So we spent just under 200 baht, which is really nothing, considering.
300 baht.
Is it? Jenna Kula. Are you sure? From what I counted,
255 left.
2.5. How much did you put on it?
500.
So 2.45.
Okay.
Okay, so
5 pounds.
my maths was absolutely rubbish. Right, so
5 pounds.
yeah,
5 pounds.
yeah, 245 baht is just over 5 quid. Yeah, just over £5. 3 dishes, 2 drinks,
Like
wipes. Yeah, can't go wrong. Good sign, sale. Well, there seems to be a good sale on. 50% off. 20% off. Ooh, that top does look nice. I like the colour combination on this one. It's quite a nice colour combination. I do like it. And this one. Whoa. That's nice. I like that one. Oh, bless. That's cute. My son. Look cute in that. So we came here literally
for passport
for the passport. Okay. But
ไม่เข้าใจเหมือนกัน
don't know what happened
I'm
there.
looking for one t-shirt only but end up of I don't know
Yeah, she wanted just to get one t-shirt. I ended up getting 2 polo shirts, 2 shorts. Oh, and what did you get?
I can
2 t-shirts.
149 baht
Wait.
I like this
Too late now. Haha.
H&M like this ก็ได้ไหม149 บาทเนี่ย
She just spent stupid money on t-shirts, which I think was worth it. And but she's just seen t-shirts for 149 baht. Now she's kicking herself. Right, which way do we go out? What floor are we on?
First floor
Oh, please don't make me walk really long route. Right, okay, let's find our way out of here. I think we've done enough shopping. Enough headache. So if you get these bras, what they're saying is they're light as a feather and you can run over them with your bike. So I will be putting that to the test one day. Right folks, we are back at the hotel room. We're now going to go to non-project
น้อง
Nong
ประ
Prajak Park. Okay, Nong Prajak Park. I'm going to end this video here because I think it's long enough. So next time you see us, we'll be at Non Prajak Park.
น้อง
No,
ไม่ใช่นอน
Nong
is the verb
Nong Prajak Park. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button.
Subscribe for Madam Dam
Subscribe for Madam Dam channel. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
เดี๋ยว
Allah.
Let me show what I get
Okay. God help me. Peace.